So children, let's open your book and let's start reading with me. So page number 25, I am reading After the Tailor. Okay. So let's read. The person who washes and irons our clothes is called a washerman. You know that what is washerman? Washerman means dhobi. Okay, you are also giving your clothes for ironing, or sometimes we give for washing those clothes which we can't wash at home. Generally we give to these washermen. Understand? So they first wash them properly and iron them, and some of the clothes after washing also we give to these washermen to iron them. Okay, and these are also those persons which help us to wear our good conditioned, or we can say wrinkle free clothes. And after that, next one, the shopkeeper sells different types of cloth. Now next, which person comes here? Shopkeeper. You know that from shopkeeper, when we go to shop, and then only we can get any dress, and not even dress material means unstitched cloth we can get from the shopkeeper, because from the factories or from the place where they are making cloth, they send in the different shops, and when we want to buy any cloth, we go to that shopkeeper. And shopkeeper is a person who gives us unstitched cloth, or sometimes we purchase stitched cloths also. Okay, your dresses, ready-made dresses also. So in this is also a person which involved with the dresses. So children, next here they have given in a box, page number 26, growing up with values. So let's read what they have given here. You may be going to different places. You may come across people wearing strange dresses. It may be strange for you, but not for them. Respect people as they are and not for what they are wearing. Don't make fun of the way people dress up. You know children, some of the times you know that some people are wearing some awkward kind of dresses, means not like you or not like your parents. You are living at good home, but some of the people, they don't have good dresses, they don't have such money that they can purchase good dresses from the market, or they can purchase good clothes from the market. And sometimes we can see those person also, they are wearing very dirty kind of dress material, or very ugly kind of dresses, or which we not generally we are not watching it at our home or at our school, such kind of situations. So whenever you see these people, don't make fun of them, don't laugh at them, okay, because it is a very bad habit, because everybody is wearing cloth, or everybody is dressing up according to their we can say their situation, or according to their own will. Understand? So no need to make fun of other people. We should know that we have to get ready properly, because our parents are providing us good dresses, good dress material. So we should wear neat and clean clothes and we should maintain our dresses. Understand? But don't make fun of any person if you see any awkward situation. Just like here they have shown in a picture that some of the people, they are mentally sick also, and they are wearing something and sometimes torn clothes also. You must have seen some people who are not well, we can say mentally not well, and that's why they are not taking care of them. So whenever you see them, don't make fun of them. Understand? So hope you understand this this topic, what they have given. This that in this paragraph only they gave us the situation so that we can improve our moral values. Understand, children? Means we should not show our such kind of behavior to the others, by which behavior anybody get shame, or that anybody will not feel uncomfortable. Understand? So after this, children, next paragraph, let's see. People in different parts of India wear different kinds of clothes. Find out the states to which these people belong. As you know, students, if you see the dresses of different part of our country, then you can see variety of dresses. You can see, ask your parents, they can show you in the net, means in Google, when you search the dresses of different parts of our country, means different states of our country, then you can see that here we are wearing different kind of dresses. If you go in Jammu and Kashmir, then you can see that Jammu and Kashmir people, they are wearing different kind of dresses. And if you go in Gujarat, you know that the kind of dresses which we wear during Garba dresses, you know, in Gujarat and Rajasthan people used to wear such kind of that dresses, they that are totally different. Okay, and if you go south side, there people used to wear different kind of dresses. So we can say that in our country or in other countries also, if we compare people, they used to wear different kind of dresses. Their dressing pattern is also different, and material of the dresses also differently the people are using. Okay, so children, here they have shown also in this picture, you can see in your book different part of our country they have shown with the different dresses. Okay, so first one, we should I'll show you in the picture form. I'll send you picture of this part. You fill this in your note, this book. Name of the states of our country, means just like this. First picture they have given about Haryana, second picture they given about the Nagaland, and third picture about Rajasthan, and fourth is about Tamil Nadu, and fifth is about Punjab, and last picture which is given here, that is dress of Maharashtra. Understand? So children, by observing this picture or these pictures also, you can find out that how these people are living in one country, but then also different area people are wearing different kind of dresses. Okay, so after this they have given did you know paragraph here in a box. So let's read what they have written here. People of some states can be recognized by their unique headgear. They fold their turbans in different styles. You know, children, here what they given? They given information about the turban. Turban means pagdi. Okay, and in some states people used to wear that turban also, which is called headgear. Here they written, and that turban is also people wearing in different part of our country with different style. Here you can see in third category of this picture, they have shown different kind of turban. इनकी पगड़ी डिफरेंट है थर्ड वाले केस में, फर्स्ट वाले केस में उनसे डिफरेंट है. एंड इफ यू कम डाउन अबाउट पंजाब, दे हैव गिवन, एंड इन पंजाब दैट men used to wear different kind of turban or pagdi. Okay, so some people are used to wear headgear. We can say they cover their head only. Men used to cover their head with the help of turban, and that turban is also worn by people by different styles. Understand about that? They have given here. Okay, so with this, children, this chapter is completed. So after this, in next video, we will see that I'll show one by one about these exercises, fill in the blanks we read, and whatever other exercises are given here, we will read in the video. Okay, next video I'll show you about those, so that you can see. I'll take the camera of that mobile near the book, so that you can understand properly that what is written here and what you have to fill in your book. Okay, so children, with this, in next video I will read it or explain you about the exercises. Okay.